Camry with the 2.4 liter engine, automatic. And today I wanted to show a quick trick. The belt tensioner is a little bit tricky, and especially if it's been on there for a long time and it's not been loosened for, long time, it's stuck in the same position. There's a way that you've got to be able to put a long ratchet on there to be able to loosen it so you can get it off. So the trick to do this job is that, first of all, you're going to need a couple of essentials here. All right, so if this belt tensioner has not been moved for a super long time, if you can see down here, there's a 14 millimeter bolt that's actually going through a pivot point of the belt tensioner here. And so that 14 millimeter headed bolt, you need to get that loose, and you'll need to get a long box and 14 millimeter wrench to do that. This one here is, I think it's a good 18 inches long, and if you can't do that, then you could use two 14 millimeters or something of the like size and use the wrench against both together in order to get it loose. It's kind of dangerous, but it does work. It is a good mechanics trick. But if you have this one here, this makes the job super easy. And then you'll need a 1/2 inch or 3/8 inch drive long handled ratchet, and I'm using a 1/2 inch with a stubby 19 millimeter 6-point socket. And the reason that I want to show this is because when these tensioners are in there so long, there's a little tiny shock absorber all the way down there at the very bottom. If you can see with my finger, that little shock absorber, they stay in the same position for so long. Almost impossible to get them to move and compress if you don't have a long-handled ratchet of some kind or a breaker bar. Once you get your ratchet on there or your breaker bar with your 19 millimeter socket, so when you're looking at the car this way, you're going to go that way towards the front of the car. So I got my customer here doing this for me, so that's how it's going to move. And you got to have a long-handled bar like this, breaker bar or ratchet, in order to overcome that little shock absorber that's incorporated into the belt tensioner unit. So without that, without doing this this way with the long handle, you're going to be fighting it with a shorter handled ratchet. I have broken these before. A couple years ago I did a Scion, and I was thinking it was going to go to the left, not thinking, because I know a lot of cars do go that way. I remember I was going the wrong way, and I went so hard on it that I snapped it off, and so I don't ever want this to happen to anybody else.